Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are in Hendersonville, North Carolina on Main Street, and we're checking out the Garden Jubilee. And Garden Jubilee is where they have the garden vendors come down to Hendersonville Main Street and show you all the different garden stuff. So let's go take a look at the Garden Jubilee, and this is always held on Memorial Day weekend. So let's go enjoy and see what we got around here and see if I find anything I want to take home with me. Alright, well, let's go enjoy this day here, guys.
I don't know, I can tell it's the whole blend today.
Alright guys, that was the Garden Jubilee for 2023. Crowd turnout was good. The Jubilee itself was a little disappointing on the vendors' part, but they've been calling for rain, and it's actually getting ready to bust open a cloud now. So I wound up getting a few things for my own little garden that I'm trying to start. So maybe I'll have some stuff to cook in my own meal out of my own garden here later on this year. Well guys, I enjoyed today. I think a lot of what wasn't here compared to past years as far as displays and booths and stuff was because they were calling for rain. The crowds were up even though the weather is kind of overcast right now and it's getting ready to rain and it's getting windy too. So well, I'm gonna head on out and get done with some other stuff I gotta do today, and I hope you guys enjoy the day the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys on the next video. So here we go. Thank you.